We refurbish outdoor power equipment. We buy customer returns, fix them, sell them. That's our business. We get customer returns from major manufacturers. We buy them, they come to our warehouse. We run deep into the machine if we need to. We fix as needed, or we bring it to the stores and we sell it as a scratch and dent machine. It's not new, but it is pretty darn close. We've had incredible growth, and over half that growth is attributed to the Walmart Restored program. It gives the customer comfort, so I can buy that product with confidence.
It's a very, very fun operation. It's always crazy. It's always interesting. No 2 days are alike.
We're on Seller Center all day long. We're early adopter when it comes to these types of things. We use it for promotions. We use it for updating inventory where we can't do it through our systems. We use it for obviously payment and order information to leverage what we do and what Walmart does best. Walmart said, I want to take your business and double that. And I said, there's no shot. There's no shot at all. And we got close. And then the next year, okay, we want to double that again. And we're on a good trajectory right now. Being introduced to all the different new projects or systems that Walmart's implementing, like Walmart Connect, the advertising piece, we're really able to zoom in and zone in on marketing and efficiencies there, which helped our bottom line tremendously. Plus, as the upside, the customers are happy too. It's exciting. It's a little scary, very exciting. I feel incredibly comfortable working with Walmart. From the ethical perspective, from we're not out to take every bit of your profit, we're out to share profits with you. It's a win-win for everybody.